Hello guys, welcome to yours in my YouTube channel. In this video, you're gonna talking about Git stashing. It is one of the important thing when it is come to the software development, and it also time saver. So before knowing about Git stashing, we want to know the backstory of it. We go through the with a real time example scenario. Think of it: you joined a new company. In a team, you have a 10 members. On as usual, they give a task to you. For to complete the task, you took it 6 days. Yeah, on the 6 days, you didn't pull the latest code. After completing your task, you're trying to pull the latest code. On the time, you face an error. You can't pull the latest code because you made it lots of changes. Around 15 files, you made it changes. Think there is a manual option. Like you want to pull the latest code in another folder and made the changes by manually. It is a too hectic and it's a time taking process also. Beginner friendly question: why you want to pull the latest code? Because your friend made a many changes and implemented a many tasks on the application. You commit without pulling the latest code, his changes will not reflected on the application, so you must want to pull the latest code, and after then you want to commit your code. Yeah, that was the process. To pull the latest code, your changes should want to hide. The same thing will stashing will do. So stashing is a temporarily saves your uncommitted changes, so you can switch the branches or pull the latest code without losing your work. So whenever you stash the code, your what are the changes you made it in your local repository, it can hide on somewhere. Then you are free to pull the latest code. Then apply stashing. You will get the latest code with your task code also. Then you can resolve the problem. Then you can commit the code. Yeah, it was the stashing will actually works. Yeah, let's go to the into the practical. Git stashing in practical. Let's assume it's a simple example context for a problem. Think like your team lead give a task for you and your colleague. Your colleague want to develop a sign up page and you want to develop a login page. Okay? Think like your colleague is implementing a sign up page. Okay? Think like your colleague is working. So your colleague pulled the latest code. So there is no changes he made it. This is the actual code he pulled from the Git or Big Bucket, any of it. Okay, now the output is looking like this. So he want to develop a sign up page. Okay, let's develop a sign up page. X. Okay. Okay, think like this. Sign up page. Okay, just okay. Think like this is sign up page. Okay, and in app context, you want to import here. Import sign-up page and you can route here route path sign up and element and sign-up page and come again and route. In home also you want to mention sign-up page. So okay, think like he has completed the sign-up page. Okay. For back purpose, link to yeah. Hope he was completed the task. So he implemented a sign-up page, right? So this is sign-up page. Okay, back to home. Okay. Now he was successfully completed the sign-up page. So this is sign up page. Okay, back to home. Okay, now he was successfully completed the sign up page. So now he want to commit the code. By creating a new branch, he can commit the code. Yeah, let's go to the command prompt. CLS. Okay, let's create a new branch. Git checkout, checkout, new branch. Mm, future sign up. Yeah, successfully created a sign up, and now we should want to add it. Git add up. Yeah, and we should commit now. Git commit and sign up page. Okay, okay. Git push origin uh, future dot sign up. Yeah, successfully committed the code. Let's go to the GitHub and merge that requests. Yeah, here you can get a sign up. Compile and create PR success successfully completed the sign up page. Okay, create a pull request and now merge the pull request. No complex errors. Yeah, code is merged, right? Now for my turn, I want to create a login page. Yeah, the output should look like this. Now I want to create a login page. So I want to create a login page. Login page. Yes, H1 will come to login page. Okay. Now come to the routes index pages and import not the wrong one, not login page. Okay. Add a route path login element. So login. Alright. And I want to mention no 5 minutes cut action. So I want to add in home also link to login, login, go in home and login page and want to mention link back to slash. Yeah. Let's check the result. I think I'm not on the server. Okay, login is come. Now we want to do the stashing. Okay, let's go to the command prompt with stashing. Yeah. So to stash, the first command is git stash. So whenever you clicking the stash, before you can check how many I made it 3 changes on my local repository. Okay. So whenever I press git stash, the current changes will be disappear. Let's come and check. So this one is a stash one. So I have only one change. So now the local repository changes has stored in somewhere. Now the task is we should want to take the latest pull from the main div. Okay, let's do that one. Now we want to took latest pull from, so remove here what are the main div you have. I have a main div, so I can pull the latest code. So I took the latest code. So now check the results. Yeah, now check the results. Yeah, here the sign up page will also come here, right? Yeah, now the sign up page will also come here. Now we want to do the git stash apply to it. Okay, here git stash apply. Git stash, your local changes has been stored or hide on somewhere, and then you are took the latest code from the main branch. There itself you get a sign up details page. Now you want to do the git stash, which means you will get the both the sign up page and login page. Let's do that one. Git stash apply. So the modifications are happen on app.js, home.js, and login page.js. So these three files has been newly added to the updated code. Let's see the results how it was. Okay, it will tell income. Like your before code have a sign up. So these are the current changes we have, like current changes, and incoming changes are this stashing changes. So it newly adding the login page, right? So on this time what you do, it will asking you which, for example, if sometimes there are changes will made it on the same line, on that time you manually want to know where the code you want, where the code you don't want. So in these cases I need the both changes. So I accept the both changes because I need the login page and sign up page. So I accept the both changes and come on here, and here also it will showing the same thing. So it will asking to routing. Here also I need the both changes. Accept and both changes. The git stashing, I will get the both changes. My colleague changes sign up and my changes are logging. Now I free to commit the code. Yeah, that's it for today guys.